Alright, this is the releasing of the hounds on the train. Come on, let's go. That way, run. Go ahead, you're free. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. You are way too high. I'm out of here. Nobody's getting Ruger no more. Now what do you want to do? Come on, boys. Come on. Look out of my way, bandit. Get back up there. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Come on, step here. Up. Come on, see you sit. What? I'm not really that good on commands. Come on, sit down. How about this seat? Alright, that one's cool. What about you, bandit? Where you gonna sit? Come on, free range. I don't know now. Look at you stretching out, scratching. You get ready to run. Hey, get down. You happy? I like being free. I like being free on the train. Yippee! I'm out of here. See ya. See you later. See you later. Bye. Ready? Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Come here, boys. Yay! Got away, bandit.